How to manage favorites on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can manage favorites on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Facebook. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Then head over to the bottom right corner on the menu. Then head over to the gear icon on the top right corner, tap on that, and now you're on settings and privacy. If you scroll down, you'll find the preference section. Under the preference section, you'll find content and preferences. Tap on that, and there you'll see a section called Who You See. Under Who You See, you will need to head over to Favorites, and there you'll see all of your favorites. Now you can manage your favorites from here. You can add favorites from here as well. If you see this section right here, you can add your friends as a favorite. And if you reload it, there we go, I've just added a favorite. Now, if I want to remove them, I can simply tap on the three dots right here, then tap on remove from favorite. I can do that again from here, or if I simply want to view the post from my favorites, I can tap on view from view favorites, and there we go. And that's how I can see the post from my favorite. And that's how you can manage your favorites on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.